Picture this. You're an affiliate hustler in your 30s, juggling a job while dreaming of passive income. But social media is consuming your life. That was me just last week. Then I discovered BuzzAgentsAI. The struggle is real. Spending hours searching for fresh ideas, feeling the pressure to post daily, or risk fading into obscurity. What I really wanted? Growth without being glued to my phone. BuzzAgentsAI fills that gap. Agents trained on your niche, generating tailored content just for you. Setting it up is a breeze. Upload your brand info, choose a done-for-you agent like Clara for affiliates, and type in a keyword like fitness tips. Just like that, you get unique reels with avatars and subtitles, all scheduled automatically. No more rescheduling. Take it from Betty O, who doubled her traffic. I prepped a whole campaign in just 1 hour. It's that simple. Real users are seeing results. Matthew landed $12K a month just by demoing this. Your need for consistency? It's covered. But here's the catch. This launch is limited and supplies are dwindling. Don't miss out. Ready to take the leap? Hit the link at https://atrendbest.com. BuzzAgentsAI. Just a heads up. I earn a commission per FTC YouTube rules. Full transparency here. Plus, there's a 14-day refund if you don't see results. Grab it before it turns into a monthly fee.